What's up? Catching up. I just got out of Trader Joe's. I'm moving locations again and I'm starving. Oh my gosh. And I got good water. So I was in Target the other day and I don't know, they just have crappy water. So I'm going to show y'all what I get from Trader Joe's. Alkaline water with electrolytes, like, see, purified for with electrolytes for taste. I don't know why electrolytes would help with the taste, but I don't know. Anyway, I want to believe that this is like really alkaline and really good. Let's just say it is, right? I don't know. I tend to believe Trader Joe's is better, but who the heck knows? And then I get this one. What is this? Mountain Spring water. I don't know. I don't trust any of these waters anymore. I was saying to a friend the other day, we pay for air in the tires and we pay for water. What the hell? Something's not right. Makes me want to go back to Costa Rica. Okay. So, I go into Trader Joe's and this is my mindset, right? I used to shop for the family and make dinners and make sure I have everything for everyone else. Now I go in and it's like, all right, I'll be here for 2 days. What am I going to eat? So I need fruit. I feel like I'm not eating enough fruit. I just love Trader Joe's fruit. Of course, the mangoes. Never used to like mangoes or avocados before I went to Costa Rica, but love them now. And then I get apples. I don't know, their apples don't look like they're crazy pumped up with, I don't know what, because some apples in the regular supermarket are so freaking big, they just don't look like real apples. So I don't even know what kind these are, but they're good. Maybe the Roma, is it Roma? I put peanut butter on them. Got that from Trader Joe's as well. And then I'll get like this, because I usually eat like one big meal a day and then I try to eat like smaller things, still on that diet. So I get like something like this, and then I'll get like broccoli. Yeah, frozen. But you got to understand, I'm like literally running, going, stopping, 2 days, stopping somewhere. Mostly out of my car. And I'll put like this in there. Oh my gosh. Like one of my favorite snacks. The sweet and spicy pecans. Really good. Did I get my coconut? I did. This is my go-to. Love coconut strips. For a little bit there, I was eating like so much sugar, like really bad. Total gavone sugar, not good, unhealthy. So I'm off that kick, thank goodness. Back to halfway decent snacks. These I've never tried. Oh, see, I don't know if I like pumpkin spice. I didn't realize they were pumpkin spice. I thought it was pumpkin seeds, like just straight up pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin spice pumpkin seeds. Now I gotta try it because I don't even know. I don't know if I like this. I see all the stupid commercials and it just turns me off. All right. And good. They smell good. Nutmeg, cinnamon. All right, maybe ginger, maybe? Yeah. Cinnamon, nutmeg, allspice. Okay, ginger. There we go. They're pretty good. Not bad. There's a little sugar on them. Maybe I like pumpkin spice coffee. Never tried it. All right. Well, these are good. Oh, and my favorite, Twinkle Twinkle Little Stars. I get these every holiday. The dark chocolate mint stars. Love them. And now what I'm eating before I go in the house. What else did I even get? Oh, my go-to salad, the lemon arugula chicken salad. I love it. I love arugula. And this is what I'm eating now. It's like a splurge, like, yeah, cheat day kind of thing, because I've been really good. I've been staying in Huntington, my old town, with family, and oh my gosh, they cook so good there. So I'm trying to like not pig out all the time, but today this is what I'm having. Lemon basil with lemon. Some good Parmesan cheese. Oh, so good. Some peas in here, olive oil. So awesome. So I'm going to eat in my car, make a few phone calls, catch up on my hypnosis homework. I go again on Friday. I will fill y'all in on that. It is a little too familiar, this whole hypnosis thing, which is a little questionable. Anyway, it is brought up a lot. And I'm excited. I'm excited to dig deeper and figure it out. But I think everybody can relate to some extent to not being hypnotized, but the power of suggestion and advertisements and all that stuff. So I'll be sharing. I really want to like go through the book with everyone and share it with you because I'm blown away. It's kind of like I know this stuff already, but to read it and now to experience it again in a different structure, it's brought up a lot of questions and answers. So it's pretty cool. All right. I hope you all have a great day. And oh, one more thing, my affirmations. So I'm working on them. Yes. Life is enjoyable. Life is satisfying. I'm a grateful person. I'm a forgiving person. I am full of happiness and joy. I am a person God wants me to be. I'll stop there. So these are awesome. This really helps. Okay, have a good day, y'all. Just wanted to check in.